Hi, welcome to this week's episode of the Keep Growing podcast, where we explore the gardening week ahead for the Mid-Ohio Valley. This week we're looking at week 24 of 2024, Saturday, June 8th to Saturday, June 15th. Up first, let's check out the weather forecast. This weekend we're looking at a cold front moving through that's going to drop the temperatures into the 70s and bring some rain on Sunday. Then this week will be dry with temperatures slowly rising into the 90s as we get toward next weekend. It's going to be a great time for getting out and cutting and baling hay. In the garden today, you'll want to begin preventive control measures for squash vine borer. On Monday, June 10th, it's time to start getting some late crops in the ground. Sweet corn, beets, pumpkins, and winter squash can all be seeded now. It's also the time to pinch blackberry canes. On Tuesday, June 11th, begin looking at bagworm control. Although the almanac has this listed for today, I've seen early bagworm activity in my own landscape. Also, last week we talked about planting lettuce as a companion crop for tomatoes. If you want a companion planting with some Italian flair, today is the day to plant basil along with your tomatoes. Wednesday, June 12th, side dress sweet corn that is knee-high with additional nitrogen. This can be done with sodium nitrate or a natural fertilizer like blood meal. Thursday, June 13th, is transplant time. It's time to transplant time. Thursday is also a good day to deadhead annuals. Friday, June 14th, is the first quarter moon. It's also Flag Day. And it's an excellent time to prune flowering shrubs. Finally, on Saturday, June 15th, plant peppers. Also control cabbage worms with dipel or a row cover. Personally, I'm a fan of row covers as they can help control weeds and they also help to regulate the temperature of the plants under them. That gets us through the gardening week ahead. Of course, you can find show notes and a full transcript on our website at bobsmarket.com/keepgrowing. And until next time, of course, keep growing.